In this tutorial, we will show you how to search for and edit comments using Totem, our Cybersecurity Compliance Management tool. As you are performing an assessment of your cybersecurity program and building your system security plan, you'll likely encounter scenarios where you need to add an explanation or context to an organizational action. This is where the comments feature in Totem comes in handy, which you can find on the control status page next to the implementation details for any given organization action. To leave a comment, simply click the comment icon, enter in your text, and click OK. Notice the difference between organization actions that have comments attached to them and those that do not. Comments are especially helpful when combined with tags. For example, if I wanted to direct a team member of mine named Dave to a particular organization action, I can add a Dave tag into the comments field. When Dave next signs into Totem, he can perform a global search for the Dave tag, and he will find all controls which contain this tag. Now, this global search will look for anywhere that the Dave tag might be located. If Dave wants to look specifically for comments containing the Dave tag, he can modify his global search to filter only for the comments containing this tag as seen here. This gives Dave an additional, more specific searching option. Thanks for watching this Totem tutorial. If you have any questions about our Totem Cybersecurity Compliance Management tool, send us an email at support@totem.tech.